Hey buddy. Do you have your own business? If yes, then you will be well aware of the importance of marketing in business. No business can grow without marketing. If you also want to make your business accessible to the people or you want to promote it, but you do not know how you can promote your business and where, then Facebook ads are a great way to promote your business or brand, promote your products, get conversions, generate leads, or get traffic on your website. I think most of you must have heard about Facebook ads, but never really tried. So, in today's video, we will tell you about Facebook ads, Facebook advertising campaign, and we will also teach you how to make it. But, before creating Facebook ads, we have to know about Facebook campaign. So, what is Facebook campaign? A unit of procedure that is used to advertise on Facebook is called a campaign. You can understand it as if your company has launched a new product whose responsibility for promotion has been given to you. So, if you want to advertise on Facebook, you will create an ad campaign and define how long you have to do this promotion. When we do this advertisement process in a limited period of time, it is called an ad campaign. Consider subscribing for online business and work from home opportunities. Check out the link in description to discover more about home business. Facebook has created a very good and user-friendly ads manager platform for advertisers so that even a novice can make advertisements without any problem. So I am going on assuming that you are new to this digital marketing or say online advertising field and want to know how to create ads on Facebook. So let's start. Step-by-step guide to create ad campaign in Facebook. First of all, you have to log into your Facebook account. Then you have to go to the drop-down menu of your account.
There you get a lot of options, including the option of Create Ads or Ads Manager.
To create any new ad campaign, click on the Create Ads or Ads Manager option. If you have clicked on this option first time, it will give you a brief intro and will ask you to create a new Facebook ads account. All you have to do is give the account any name, click on the Create button, and create your Facebook ads account. Facebook's interactive and dynamic interface will guide you through each step. After this, there are 4 major phases to create any Facebook ad campaign. 1. Select marketing objective. 2. Create ad set. 3. Create ad. 4. Submit for review. Step 1. Select marketing objective. After creating Facebook ads account, the main page of Facebook ads creation will be open in front of you, in which you will see many such ad campaigns. Brand awareness, reach, traffic, engagement, app install, video views, lead generation, messages, conversion, catalog sales, store visits. You have to choose any of these ad campaigns according to your need. Different types of ads campaigns will help you with different types of promotions. Brand awareness. If you just want to make your brand name popular, then you can choose brand awareness. Reach. If you want to reach your business to more and more people, then you can select reach. Traffic. If you want traffic on your website, then you can choose traffic. In this way, many other considerations are given, out of which you can choose any. It depends completely on what your requirement is. You will see a symbol of I next to each option in the interface of Facebook ads. You can learn about that option by hovering your mouse over it. So basically it is a helpful guiding option. Step 2. Create ad set. After choosing the marketing objective, we have to create an ad set. In ad set, basically we define the limits of an ad campaign, audience, interests, budget, and placements, etc. First of all, you have to give any name to ad set and then choose the audience in it. In this, the audience is selected according to the location of the place in which you want to show your ad. Like Los Angeles, US. Or the whole country, the whole city, etc. In this way, you have to set interest that Facebook should show your ad only to those people who are interested in what you have defined. Whichever way you choose the audience and interest, Facebook will also tell you by calculating simultaneously that you can reach your ad to at least and the maximum number of people. Basically it tells you approximate results. Next, you have to define where Facebook shows your ads, such as on Instagram, Facebook desktop version, mobile version, etc. I would recommend that if you are a beginner, then you should let it remain on automatic placements. With this option, Facebook itself will show ads for you in different locations. After this, you have to set your budget, how much you want to spend on this particular ad campaign. If you run the ad in between any 2 or more days, then you have to fill your daily budget, and you can also set it on a weekly basis. Step 3. Create ad. In this option you have to actually create an ad. You can either create a new ad for ad or you can choose a post from one of your Facebook pages as an ad. You have to link some Facebook pages with every ad type because Facebook shows your ads on behalf of your Facebook page. That is, each of your ads will have the name of your Facebook linked page. After this, you have to choose the format of ad and make the ad complete by uploading images and videos, etc. according to that format. Facebook gives you lots of ad format options like full screen experience, carousel, multiple images, single image, single video, combination of all formats type, etc. After this, you have to add call to action button or proper links. These options depend completely and vary according to your marketing objectives. Next to each option, there are further advanced options so that you can run your ad campaign in a highly customized way. After doing this, your ad will be created. Step 4. Submit for review. When you completely create both ad set and ad, you have to submit your ad for Facebook's review phase. Then you have to wait for approval. Sometimes approval is received within a few minutes and sometimes it takes a few hours. Once you get approval, then your ad runs according to the schedule, and after its completion, you see the results in your Ads Manager. You can export the results in Excel or CVS format from Ads Manager. When you create your first ad campaign, in the last step it asks you to add money to the Facebook Ads Manager account according to your budget, and at the time of account creation it also asks you your desired currency. To run your ad campaign, you will have to add money to your account first. You can add money at any time by going to payment settings. Facebook provides you with debit card, net banking, and Paytm payment options. I hope you have got enough information to create and run the Facebook ad campaign from this video. So, if you like this information, then like the video, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friend. Check out the link in description to discover more about how to work from home business, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.